she told me she was the happiest girl on earth. Here is a typical dental implant case which I would like to share. A very young lady who lost her front central incisors in an accident, the front two teeth, and she was wearing a removable denture when she came to us. You can see this image. This was the state in which she was soon after she lost her front teeth. She wanted fixed solutions for her missing teeth. She was not happy with the removable denture for various reasons. One is that she could not speak properly, she could not chew properly, she couldn't really feel the taste, and there was food getting trapped all over, and the denture was a bit wobbly, it used to shake. So all these problems were there. So she was very particular that she gets fixed teeth. Obviously, it's her right to have fixed teeth in her mouth. So we provided her with fixed teeth with the help of corticobasal implants. So we placed 2 implants into the bone, and this is the picture of the result we could give her. She told me she was the happiest girl on earth soon after I finished the work for her. That is the X-ray, and that is a smile. She's got a very good smile now. So that is a particular case for you.